In no particular order, the first spot belongs to San Antonio. This second spot is yours, Queen San Roque. Third spot is your lucky charm, Queen Pamutungan. Only 2 spots left, and one of them is for Tuburan. And to complete our top 5 is Tiltilon. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your top 5 candidates. San Antonio, San Roque, Pamutungan, Tuburan, and Tiltilon. But before that, maayong gabi, Queen San Antonio.
May gabi po.
How are you feeling this evening?
I do really feel so nervous, but I have nothing to do, but I'm in type 5, so grateful.
How would you use your voice to support diversity and inclusion? Again, how would you use your voice to support diversity and inclusion?
Thank you for that question. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, for the fact that inclusion and inclusivity and diversity, has still not yet surpassed in our society. As a member of LGBT, it's so sad to experience this kind of situation firsthand. And I strongly believe there's no difference between the life of homosexual and heterosexual. Between these two creates too much hate and negativity between each other. Respect is all to us as a human being. And being that side our only belief and opinion should not tell people what they can or they cannot do. One thing certainly for sure, inclusivity and diversity not just be tolerated, but doing it. And it's time to end this problem. I know we can and I know we will. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Queen San Antonio, for that remarkable answer. Now we shall proceed with Queen San Roque. Anyone who would you like to thank tonight?
Well, first and foremost, I would like to thank to my friends who are here tonight and supporting me for my second time around of joining with this pageant.
Celine. Queen San Roque, here is your question. Why is it important for everyone to feel accepted and valued in society? Again, why is it important for everyone to feel accepted and valued in society?
Thank you for that question. I was a member of a rainbow color community of CTU main campus, and that was called Balangao. And that group gives me an opportunity to knock for my talent, which is I am a junior designer, that I can cultivate my future. And with that community, I responded to the whole campus that I am being proud of myself and I feel accepted and be seen of my talent. So ladies and gentlemen, the LGBTQIA+ is not just only towards for the discrimination, but we are being respected and being valued for what we are. And this is the spirit of what we are celebrating today. The independence, the Araw ng Kalayaan, that gives us freedom to give a moral life and moral freedom for all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Queen San Roque. And sa tanang mga naa diri karon, Congratulations sa inyong kagawas. Alright, now we proceed with Queen Pamutungan. How are you, dear?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Queen Pamutungan. How can young people help promote acceptance of the LGBTQIA plus community? Again, how can young people help promote acceptance of the LGBTQIA plus community?
Thank you for that question. So I believe, ladies and gentlemen, the young generation should start self-acceptance. It is because it's easier to educate people when you're knowledgeable enough to educate and share things that you know. And by that, it's easier to share your knowledge to other people. It is because with a strong foundation of knowledge, we can eliminate negativity, and by that, we can live in the society with a peaceful and beautiful future. Thank you and good evening.
Alright, thank you so much, Queen Pamutungan. Alright, Queen Tuburan, how are you tonight?
Well, you know what? I'm happy and grateful because, as well as I am fantastic, and I'm so very grateful to my family is here.
Asa man ang pamilya ron diha. Okay, thank you. Thank you kayo sa pagkuhan sa inyong support. Alright, your question goes like this. What does equality mean to you when it comes to LGBTQIA plus rights? Again, what does equality mean to you when it comes to LGBTQIA plus rights?
To me, equality means every person should the same respect. Because true humanity, that everyone stands on the same ground and no one is left behind. Daghang salamat.
Now we're moving on to the last but not the least queen for tonight, Miss Diltilon. Would you like to greet to our audience?
I would like to greet my supportive neighbors, family, and friends. Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Yeah, definitely ready.
Okay. Why is it important to respect people regardless of their gender identity or sexual orientation? Again, why is it important to respect people regardless of their gender identity or sexual orientation?
Thank you. As a gay, we experience bullying and discrimination. Respect is something every person deserves. No one should be judged because of who they are or who they love. Because when we choose acceptance or respect, we can build a generation where acceptance is not an option. It is a way of life. And I hope we always remember what Doc Gabi Carvalho said. Take people next us and move to a better place. Because as Filipinos, we can build a society. Because at the end of the day, our differences may shape who we are, but it is our humanity that connects us all. Thank you, Mayang Gabi.
All right, there you have it, our top 5 candidates